how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And tonight what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Zealot B21 Bluetooth headphones. I don't even know why I flashed my bandage wounds in front of you guys. I don't know why I did that. It is what it is. But anyways, so typically like we do on the fit and sound demos, I'm going to go ahead and first we're going to show you guys what the headphones look like stock out of the box. Then I'm going to go ahead and adjust it to a comfortable fit for you guys. And then I'm going to play the volumes of the headphones at 50% and 100% so you guys can hear the difference. I have my lapel CQ microphone hooked up. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's right here. So we're going to get the headphones as close to the mic as possible, and then I'm going to check for leakage. We're going to do all that good stuff, and then we're going to wrap the video up. So without further ado, as y'all can see on the rear facing camera, which is the 13 megapixel camera of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3, I have a nice little tune set up for you guys. That is my S5. It's already paired to these headphones, and as y'all can see in the corner there is the front facing 5 megapixel camera on the Note 3 as well, so y'all can see how they look on my head. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and go through the fitting styles, and I'm going to give you guys a nice little sound demo, and we're going to wrap this video up. So here is fit number 1, stock out of the box, no adjustments, as you can see, no adjustments there, no adjustments there, stock fit. This actually feels very nice, and I'm also a very big fan of how the cups fully immerse the air and wrap over the air. This actually creates a nice seal, and I can barely hear myself talking right now. This is really nice. So this is the stock fitting out of the box. Now let me adjust it to the comfortable fit for you guys. Ow, kind of hurts my hands. Right about there seems good. And there seems good. Alright, back on the head. Nice and a comfortable fit here. So this is style number 2. Nice and comfortable, not too snug on the head, real good. Now let's go ahead and start the sound demo portion. So first, this is 100% volume, I believe. And we're going to go ahead and push play. See how much leakage the mics could pick up at 100% volume. Let me make sure it's maxed out. And it is maxed out. Now the reason why y'all see me doing this is because the cups here do have touch controls. So this is volume up and down right here. Alright, and this is forward and rewind track going that way. So this is 100% volume. Let me just listen to this for a little bit. Real interested to see how much leakage I'll pick up after the video. Alright. Now let's go ahead and put them up to the mic and see if we can get a nice crisp sample for you guys. Right here. Wait for that beat to drop. So now let's turn it down to 50% and we'll do it again. Alright, so this is 50% volume. Picking up a little bit of leakage. I don't know how well the mic's going to pick that up. Alright, let's put it back up to the mic. Oops. I think we ran out of tunes. We did indeed run out of tunes. We restart that. Whoops. And this is 50% volume. Yeah, real good stuff. Not too much leakage at all. Let me throw it back on my head. I doubt the mic is going to be able to pick up much when it's back on my head. And then we'll wrap it up. It sounds good. I think this might be where I would keep it at during regular usage. All right, let me pause that. All right, so that has been the fit and sound demo test of the Zealot B21 Bluetooth headphones. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. As I always do in the fit and sound demo test, I'll put the links to the full review for you guys down below in the video description. So maybe you stumbled across the fit and sound demo first and you'd like to know a little bit more about the headphones before you pick them up. All links to the full review for these headphones will be down below in the video description. There you go. And the video description to the full review, after you click on that, will have the buy links. So if you're interested in picking these headphones up, check out the full review, which will have links to the buy links for this guy at some really great prices down below in the video description of the full review. So in the description of this video would just be credits to the artists for the songs that I use and a link to the full review, okay, for these headphones. All right, as I said, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace. Oh, and as I said earlier, this whole video was recorded using the 13 megapixel rear facing camera and the 5 megapixel front facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 at 720p resolution. So please be sure to also let me know how the video looks. And all the audio for this video was recorded using the Lapel CQ clip-on microphone. So please let me know how all the audio sounds as well. All right, I hope everyone has a good evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.